what is the process of a bellwether trial? Like, is it the end all be all? Is it a good indication of where a horizon is going to go? Maybe just take a moment on what those trials look like and what their purpose is.
Yeah, a bellwether trial is in essence a test case. So in mass torts, there could be thousands or tens of thousands of cases, and it's impossible for the parties and the court to utilize resources to have every single case worked up for a trial ready case. So instead, what we do is we go through this bellwether process where the idea is to take representative cases of the entire inventory, which has the facts, the science, and the issue that applies to every case, get those cases worked up like you did in a one off trial case, and then get before the trial judge, get in front of the jury, have the jury speak, and then they'll give their opinion on the value of the case, which facts they believed, which ones they didn't, and you get a feel for how strong the cases are. But how the process usually works is towards the beginning of the case, maybe 3 to 6 months in, you agree upon a bellwether process. And what we've seen now is there'll be some cases selected by the defendants that they think are representative of the inventory, which maybe the plaintiffs believe are a little bit weaker cases. And then the plaintiffs will pick a group of cases as well that they think are representative, which I'm sure the defendants say the same thing, that we're cherry picking the stronger cases. And then a lot of times now we have the judges coming in and they're selecting random cases. So neither side gets the opportunity. And then those cases get worked up like you would, and we'll do fact specific discovery. We'll do depositions of the plaintiffs, of their spouses, of the treating physicians. And then we even move on to the expert case specific causation in each one of those cases. And along the stages, we're kind of chopping the inventory down from initial batch of 50 to 30 to 10 trial ready cases. And then it's kind of flip of a coin which case goes first for trial. And then the idea is you get a verdict. If that doesn't lead to a larger settlement, the next case is worked up and ready for the second bellwether trial.